everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change your location on Bigo Live. So to get started, open up Bigo Live application and the user interface will look somewhat like this. Now go ahead and tap on the Me, which is appear on the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, tap on your little profile icon. Now here it will take you to your profile section. Now what you have to do is click on that pencil icon. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can edit your all the information. Now here you can see the option called hometown. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here are many different country and regions available. So here what you can do is change your region, and in order to change your live location you can just set it to any location or country or region you like to add. Now once you select it, click on confirm and your live location on Bigo Live will be changed. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.